Goods and Services Lesson Number 2. Now we know what goods and services are. A good is a thing you can touch. A service is something someone can do for you. There are goods and services that you want or need, like a school uniform or an LOL surprise doll. There are goods and services your family wants or needs, like groceries or a good Wi-Fi connection. And there are goods and services the whole community wants or needs, like movie theaters or a post office, to help us with our mail. Today, let's think of the goods and services we want and need. Then, we'll think about the needs of our whole community. Make a big letter T in your notebook. Oh, I'm going to make a T chart. Write goods and services I want and need on the left side. Then write goods and services my community wants and needs on the right. Now fill the chart with your ideas. Note, there are some things that fit in both columns. For example, you need food, and so does everyone else in the community. So for food, you can put it in either place, or both. I already put in some examples. I want new sneakers, and I could use a haircut. That's a good and a service that I want and need. My community needs packages delivered and needs safety. Actually, these are both services. What's another good my community wants? Oh, I know. My whole community wants shampoo and soap, because everybody likes to keep clean. Now you add your ideas to the chart. Next time, we'll think about where we get our community wants and needs met. Talk to you later.